Okay, guys, I was thinking to myself, if you get bored of the normal GTA San Andreas and you want to put a spike or a touch to your normal GTA San Andreas by adding a stunt map, why don't I just drop this stunt mod application? Just this stunt mod. The location is at which airport is this? It will be on the Los Santos airport. Yes. So you extract 3 dots after selecting the file. Then you go Android data, then you paste. Apply to all files, replace. After that, let's open the game and see